Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving into the world of Apple stock, and exploring the current market sentiment and recent news surrounding the company. Starting with the latest headlines, we see a mixed bag of news for Apple. Warren Buffett, a prominent investor, has continued to offload his Apple shares, indicating a potential bearish sentiment. However, other analysts are bullish on Apple's future, citing the integration of artificial intelligence into its products and the upcoming iPhone 16 release. There's also anticipation for strong sales of Apple's AI-powered devices, potentially driving a long-term upgrade cycle. Analysts at J.P. Morgan believe the AI trend will boost sales of iPhones and services, contributing to Apple's record high market value. Overall, the market remains dynamic, with AI advancements, economic conditions, and corporate earnings shaping investor sentiment. We can now turn to the charts and analyze how these events are reflected in Apple's price movements. Taking a look at the daily chart, we see that Apple has been on an upward trend for the past year, with several significant price surges and pullbacks. One notable trend reversal occurred in August 2023 when Apple's third-quarter sales fell for a third straight quarter, leading to a sharp decline in the stock price. However, Apple has since recovered from that dip and has been steadily climbing back up. We can observe several key price levels on the daily chart that could be significant for future price movements. For instance, the 200-day moving average has acted as a strong support level in recent months. It could potentially be a key level to watch for buyers to step in if the price dips below it. On the other hand, the recent high of $233.08 could be a potential resistance level, where sellers might come in and cap the upward price movement. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a better view of the recent price action. We see a series of smaller candlesticks representing the price fluctuations over the past day. The recent price action suggests a potential bullish bias, with the price making higher highs and higher lows. This indicates that buyers are gaining control of the market and driving the price upward. There are a couple of notable areas to pay attention to on this time frame. The price level around $226.50 acted as a strong support level in recent days, indicating that buyers were willing to step in and prevent further decline. On the other hand, the price level around $228.50 acted as a resistance level in recent days, where sellers were able to cap the upward price movement. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart to gain insights into the most recent price movements. The 15-minute chart shows a more granular view of the price action and can help us identify short-term trends and potential trading opportunities. In the last few hours, the price has been consolidating between $229 and $230. This sideways price movement suggests indecision among buyers and sellers. However, the overall trend is still bullish, with the price making higher highs and higher lows. This indicates that buyers are still in control of the market, and the price could potentially break out above the recent resistance level. To further analyze the short-term price action, we can narrow down the 15-minute chart to focus on the past few hours. This allows us to see the recent price swings in greater detail. The price has been consolidating between $229 and $230, as we previously observed. However, there seems to be a slight upward bias, with the price attempting to break above $230. If the price breaks above this level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. On the other hand, if the price fails to break above $230 and retraces back to the support level around $229, it could indicate a potential short-term bearish reversal. However, it's important to note that these are just short-term observations, and the overall trend remains bullish. In conclusion, Apple stock is currently experiencing a period of consolidation after a steady climb back up from a significant dip in August 2023. The news surrounding Apple is mixed, with some investors expressing bearish sentiment while others are bullish on its AI advancements. The daily chart shows an overall upward trend with several key price levels to watch. The 200-day moving average acts as a support level, while the recent high of $233.08 could be a resistance level. The 1-hour chart suggests a potential bullish bias with support around $226.50 and resistance around $228.50. The 15-minute chart reveals a consolidation phase between $229 and $230, indicating indecision among buyers and sellers, but the overall trend remains bullish. If the price breaks above $230, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend, while a retracement back to the support level around $229 could indicate a short-term bearish reversal. Keep an eye on these key price levels, the news surrounding Apple's AI advancements, and overall market sentiment to make informed trading decisions.